Hello everyone, welcome to today's Linux tutorial. If you are new to Linux or just need a refresher on the most essential commands, this video is for you. I will be covering 20 fundamental Linux commands from basic navigation to file manipulation and even system monitoring. This command will help you get comfortable with terminal and increase your productivity on Linux system. Ready to get started? Let's go. Let me log into my Kali. Kali screen. Let me go to the terminal. Let me zoom in the terminal. The first command we are going to look at is pwd. It stands for print working directory. This command tells you the current directory you are in. It's very useful for navigating around the file system. So let's do the demo. So when we type pwd, it shows us the path of the current directory. In this scenario, I am in the username directory. Next, we have the ls command, which lists all the files and directories in the current working directory. It's a simple but powerful command. Let's do the demo. Type the ls. As you can see, when I run ls, it lists all the folders and files in my current directory. So these are all the folders I have in my current directory. Now let's move on to cd, which stands for change directory. With this command, you can navigate to different directory on your system. So let's do the demo. Cd documents. Here I have used cd to move into the documents directory. Now if I run pwd, you will see that I am inside the document. Let me do pwd. So I am inside documents. To get more detailed information about the files in a directory, we can use ls-l. This command shows us the file permission, ownership, size and modification date. So let's do ls-l. So currently we don't have any files in its documents. That's why. So let's do like make a file nano teaching.txt. Save it, exit it. So let's do again the ls-s. So ls-s. So in the output, we can see that the file permission, owner, file size and the date it was last modified. This is all the permissions here. This is the owner, this is the date. So we just made a file teaching.txt. Sometimes it's helpful to know more about the options a command offers. That's where -- help comes in. It shows the uses of the command and available options. Let's do the demo. So let's clear this screen and we can do ls -. Here the help page for ls. You can see all the different flags and options that you can use with ls. So the one we used, last one was ls, long listing format. The next command is man. The man command allows you to access the manual pages for any command. It provides detailed documentation. Let's do the demo. man. When you type man ls, you get a details manual for the ls command. You can scroll through it and press Q to quit when you're done. You see. the one we used earlier. So when you're done, you can do Q to quit. So next command we will be talking is dir. Another way to list files in a directory is using dir. It works similarly to ls but with some minor formatting differences. Mr. dir. You will see that directory dir gives us the similar output to the ls, listing the directories and files. So next command we will be checking is mkdir. Now let's look at mkdir, which allows you to create new directories. This is crucial when organizing files in your system. Let's do it. mkdir new folder. Here I have created a directory named new folder. You can see it listed when I run ls. To copy files on directories, you can use cp. This command allows you to duplicate files without altering the original. Let's do the demo. Do cp teaching.txt info copy teaching.txt. Here we go. As you can see that I have copied the teaching.txt to a new file called copy_teaching.txt. Both files now exist in the same directory. Next we have the mb command. It can be used to move files between directories or even rename them. Let's do the demo. mb copy_teaching.txt new screw. In this example, I have renamed copy_tutorial.txt to new_tutorial.txt. If I wanted, I could also use this to move files to different directories. To remove files, we use rm. Be cautious with this one because it permanently deletes the files without sending them to the trash. Here's the demo. Let's do rm new teaching.txt. As you can see, new_teaching.txt has been deleted from the directory. To perform the administrative tasks, you might need to root access. You can get super user privilege with sudo su command. Let's do sudo su enter. With sudo su now I have the super user privilege. I can run commands that require administrative rights. So next command we will be talking is cat. Use cat to display the content of a file. It's great for viewing small files or quickly checking their content. Cat. What is our teaching.txt? Teaching.txt. Here I am displaying the content of the teaching.txt. It's a very handy command for quickly reading files. The next command we'll be talking is nano. Nano is a terminal based text editor. It's lightweighted editor for editing files directly from the terminal. Let's do the demo. Nano is equal to new file.txt. So I have opened the new file.txt with nano. After typing, you can press Ctrl X to exit, saving your changes. So next we'll be talking about gedit. If you prefer a graphical interface for editing the text, you can use gedit as default text editor in many Genome-based systems. Let's do the demo. Gedit new .txt. Let's install this one. Let's try to download the gedit. Sudo apt.cat install gedit. Continue, yes. There we go. I have successfully downloaded the gedit to my system. So let's run that command again. Let me clear the screen. So gedit .txt. So here is the screen. So here I'm using the gedit, which gives the GUI text editor to work with. So here I can hello from the gedit editor. And save it and cancel it. There we go. So we can do the one cat new file .txt. This is one. I just type in and save there. So next command will be chmod, change file permission. With change file permission, you can change the permission of the files and directories, allowing or restricting the access. So let's see first the permission we have on the file. So ls l new file .txt. So here we have read write, write write. So let's change its properties, the permissions. So we can do chmod and more. So we can do minus read this one, the file name, new file .txt. So now we successfully run chmod command. So now let's see the file permission again. New file. So here we go. So the initial permission was read write write write, and we use the command change mode to remove. To remove, we do the subtract sign, then R. To add, we can do add sign plus sign to R. So here we go. Now we only have write. So let's again add that read file. Come on, chmod plus R new file .txt. Let's again do the. Here we go. Let's see again we added the read properties. It was missing here. So here this was the initial permission, and we remove the read permission, and this is the second one without the read permission. Then again we added the read permission, and here we get the read permission back on the file. So the next command we'll be talking is the echo command. We use echo to display a simple message or the value of a variable in the terminal. So let's do the demo. Echo Here I've displayed a simple message using the echo. It's useful for quick outputs. So the next command we'll be talking is top. So that's the system resource monitoring. So top is a real-time monitoring tool for viewing CPU, memory and process usage. It is essential for troubleshooting system performance. So let's do the demo. Let's clear this one first, then do the top, enter. Here you can see a live feed of system resources uses with active processes. This is in real time. Control C to cancel, do the Control C. So next will be PS command. PS stands for process status. Similar to top, PS shows a snapshot of currently running processes. It's great for checking which programs are running on your system. Let's do demo. Let's do PS, enter. This is a snapshot of processes currently running. We can see that the process ID, PID and the command being executed. So next command will be df, disk space uses. Finally, the df command shows how much disk space is being used and available on your file system. Let's do the demo. Let's do df -h. So with df-h, we get a human readable format of our own disk uses, including how much space is available on each file system. So on the file system, the size is 926 MB. We have used is 0, 926 MB, 0%. So this way. So this is the last 20 command. So and that's it. You have learned 20 essential Linux commands to help you get around your system and perform basic tasks. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorial, and let me know in the comment what you like to learn next. Thanks for watching and happy Linuxing.